Inside, we'll find a digital driver display, a 14-inch multimedia touchscreen, a completely redesigned dashboard, and new heated and ventilated seats both at the front and at the back. Elsewhere, there are push-button interior door handles, a minimalist shifter, and an elegant multicolored illumination. In terms of powertrains, there are 4 options to choose from. The entry RX 350 is powered by a new turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 279 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission which can be paired to either front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.1 seconds. The second option is the new RX 360h, featuring a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that is paired to a 4th-generation hybrid system and a standard all-wheel drive system. It is rated at 245 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque and can reach 100 km per hour in 8 seconds. The third option is the new RX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid. It is the first plug-in hybrid in the RX range. It features a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, 3 electric motors, and an 18 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. This setup gives the plug-in hybrid 306 horsepower and an electric-only range of 60 km. Acceleration to 100 km per hour takes just 7 seconds. Finally, the new RX 500hF Sport Performance is the most powerful SUV. It's a performance-oriented hybrid that has a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine coupled to a 6-speed automatic transmission.
Mazda's new flagship model is called CX-60, and as expected, it's got the all-new interior with modern, clean design and top quality of materials. The white instrument panel features continuous lines which run through the side air vents into the door trim, reinforcing the spaciousness of the interior. The driver's cockpit area features 3 main instrument cluster displays, a driver's digital cockpit, a large window head-up display, and a 12.3-inch infotainment central display. Command controller knob is here to easily control the functions within the infotainment system. White ambient lighting on the front and rear door brings out the best of color and texture of the interior finishes. Including the underfloor storage, the Mazda CX-60 offers 570 liters of boot space, increasing to 1,148 liters with the rear seats folded and 1,726 liters when loaded to the ceiling. The usability of the cargo area has been greatly improved over that on the CX-5. The width of the tailgate opening has been increased. It is 35 millimeters wider and the height of the opening is 758 millimeters. Those who love good sound can opt for the 12-speaker Bose sound system, and overall this is really a nice place to be. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this all new Mazda interior?